Hello, thank you for staying tuned. Uh, my name's Canis Andutan. I welcome you to my page where we try to advance the practice of quantity surveying. We are going to be building up rate for waterproofing felt, and we know that this felt come in different thickness. We have the 3 mm, 2 mm, 4 mm. We have the mineral felt, we have the plain felt. And some instances in the bill, you are expected to apply 2 layers. And if you are asked to apply 2 layers, it will either be specified that the top layer a mineral felt, while the bottom layer is the plain uh, felt. And some instances you are expected to just lay one, which is just one coat, which is just the mineral felt. We are uh, going to be building up rate for a 1 layer of mineral felt. And we all know that before you apply or lay the felt, you expected to clean, you prime. After priming, then you now lay, and what you needed to use to lay the 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 felt is a gas with a torch, and then the label. And as you can see on my screen, I have here I have a format where I have the plain and the mineral. Say maybe I am pricing a bill where I needed to lay 2 layers. What I just needed to do is just to put one here for the plain, then my rate will be complete. And if I'm just to apply 1 layer, I delete the whichever one. If it is just plain I am asked to do, I delete whichever one that the bill specify. Uh, then the cost for transport is built in this format. I have a truck. The cost of my truck is 40,000, and that truck capacity can carry 60 rolls. And the cost for load of loading is 6,000 for the 60 rolls. So which means it's going to cost me to transport, offload, load and offload on site 46,000 naira for 60 rolls. Then each roll is a 10 square meter. So I divided my cost by the 60 rolls. Then by 10 square meter, give me cost per 1 square meter, which it's already linked. It's already linked here. Then my cost per kg for gas is 8,306. The cost for the mineral felt is 70,000. The cost for the plain is 55,000. The cost for primer is 1,750 per liter, because it comes in 20-liter drum, and is expected you dilute it with water so that it can have wider coverage. For say 20 liters, there are some that can cover 80 liters, can cover 80 square meters, some can cover 100 square meters. So in this case, I have a, uh, I have a, in this case, I have the 20-liter can cover 80 square meter. So, and so that is why I divided the 20 liters to get the liter I need for the liter I need per square meter gives me 0.2 liters for a square meter, and the cost per liter is 1,700, 750. Then I multiply 1,700 by 0.25 gives me 446, 446 to 20 kobo for the cost for primer. Then the gas itself, uh, a 12.5 kg of gas can burn if you are having a wider space where there are no obstructions, there are no bends, there are no bends. It can burn as far as it can. Yes, you can use it to lay 100 square meter. But in case where you are applying the felt on gutter, in the gutters, and in furnishes area, the square area will reduce. The range is within 80 square meter, 70, 80 square meter. But if you have a wider roof slab where there are no obstructions, you are just rolling out and laying, it can go as far as 100 a square meter for a 12.5 kg. So I now divided my for me to get the square area for the how many kg I need for 1 square meter. I divided my 12.5 kg by 80. It gives me 0.06. Then the cost per kg is 1,350. Then I multiply by the kg per square meter. It gives me 215. Then of course the transport, which I did illustrate, gives me 76 naira 67 kobo. So my cost per square meter for one layer of mineral felt is 8,088 naira. Then the cost of labor, of course, this varies depending on your bargaining power and the location. Some areas you can get it for 800, in some areas you can get for 6, some areas you can get for 1,000. So, but for this exercise, I'm applying 800 per square meter. So it brings me to 8,888 per square meter. Mind you, if I have it is a 2-layer, 1 plain, 1 mineral. Once I include the 1 square meter for the mineral, of course, this will change because it's going to be twice. The primer will not change, but the gas will change. So the gas now because I am laying the first one and I'm laying the second one. So I now say by 2. The gas will change. Then, of course, the transport will change as well because it's going to be by 2 too, because it is 2 layers. No, sorry for that. It's going to be 2 layers. So by 2, it's going to give me this amount for 2 layers. So once I change this to 1, I, of course, change this to 1. Of course, remove this. Then I have the cost for one layer. So this is the easiest way you can build up your rate for mineral felt. Please, as usual, I will solicit that you share. And if this is your first time of watching my video, please hit the like button. Above all, the subscription button is more important to me and the advancement of this exercise. Thank you. See you the next episode.